What's up, Block Fam? Welcome to today's episode. Setting here on our dyno, we have a 2022 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. So this has the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8.
Wow.
Which is new for the 2022s. So Mr. Smith, owner of this motorcycle, has allowed us to film some episodes, and he's getting a stage 2 done to this thing. So he currently has a stage 1 on it, which is the stock air cleaner, which is supposed to be a high flow air cleaner. Currently, Screaming Eagle, and then a TBR 2-to-1 pipe on it. And we're going to see what kind of power it gets on the base pull, and then we're going to show you guys what a 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 with a stage 2 gets afterwards. So I'll show that power increase from stage 1 to stage 2. Roll intro. Let's get it. Alright, so before we get too far into the video, guys, this is the Blockhead garage. We can pretty much do anything on motorcycles. We do specialize in Harleys at the moment. We are looking to grow, but if you guys are out there in the Central Florida area or wherever that you're willing to drive from and you want to drive to the Central Florida area, you're looking to do custom modifications to your motorcycle from performance to like 1K services, we pretty much do it all. We can do frame up custom builds. We've got one going on over there, which was the giveaway for last season. We've got a customer that came down from way up north over here, Pickle, which we're doing a custom build on that bike. We've got a bunch of stuff over here that we're going to be doing projects. We're actually giving this bike away. This is a Sucker Punch Sally old school chopper. It is a bobber though. If you guys want to get in to potentially win that, go over to the website blockheadmoto.com, join in. If you guys are interested in booking service though, blockheadgarage.com, fill out the form and we'll get you guys all scheduled up. We're actually working on building a dyno room that'll go around this, which is why I seem so tall right now, because I'm standing on all the stuff that we're going to use to build the dyno room. So we're doing a dyno run right now. It's later in the evening. We're actually closing down. So we're gonna do a base pull, show you guys the numbers, and then tomorrow morning, we're gonna get to taking everything apart and installing and then doing a new run and tune.
So two things we wanna pay attention to right now, because it's easy and we'll see it on the computer, is top speed and overall power output on a stage 1 117.
Go.
Obviously our best power number was in 6th. And of course we couldn't go any higher than 4,300 RPM, give or take. And where are we sitting right now? 117 and 94.
So 117 foot-pounds torque, is 95.5.
No, it's 97.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, 97.
But if you continued this graph, let's say it built identical to these, we can guesstimate that 94 is probably about 100, 101.
Yeah.
Horsepower. So yeah, safely it's not gonna build any more torque here, it's just kind of living there. So 117, 118 maybe tops if it could hit it, and probably about 100, 101 horsepower. So we'll see what we get when we put the cam in it.
So once again, 117 stock 2022 Low Rider S Softail Harley-Davidson. I feel like I just said all that backwards. You guys know what I mean. So, well, not quite stock. It does have the Screaming Eagle tune, and then they say high flow air cleaner from the factory, and then TBR 2-to-1 pipe. So,
as we all observed, there's a distinct rev limiter on this.
Yeah, huge.
There's a top speed limiter. There's a RPM limiter as well. So our power, we can't view it all the way through because we just can't get there.
Yeah, as you guys can hear, whenever it starts to ramp up, like as it's approaching the speed limiter, it like throttles itself down.
Right.
So we're gonna get rid of all that.
All that'll go away.
Yeah.
I did want to say, so for those of you at home, if you look at the graph where it's at and you just continue that linear line, I don't know how much of what we said a minute ago will actually make the edit, but it's safe to say that this bike's putting a 118 tops and maybe about 100 to 103 horsepower.
All right, well, we're gonna let it cool down and then we'll do some service. We'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. All right, guys, so we have the bike off the dyno and we've got it moved over here to the lift where Chris, Sick Wad Glide 25-year master level technician, will be installing. So with this though, we're not gonna go through like the detailed install. We have a detailed install on a stage 2. That video is called Harley-Davidson Stage 2 Explained. So if you guys are looking to get more information on that, go check out that video after this one. But we're just gonna go ahead and do like a montage, like time lapse of Chris installing this kit, and then we will get back on the dyno, tune it up, and then we will see what kind of horsepower and torque numbers we get after that cam install and tune. So let's start the montage.
Motherfucking montage?
Yeah.
Can you even say that?
Beep. So we are to the dyno tuning portion. So this could last for an hour to 2 hours-ish. Basically, Chris is going through and he's hand building the map for the bike. So he's seeing basically what the engine likes in each part of the throttle position and RPM. So basically mapping out that entire thing. He gets in the zone and you really can't do anything to distract him, which is pretty awesome. And then whenever he's done, like the power numbers and the torque curve look amazing. So 116.5 horsepower and 126 torque off of stage 2. So top speed of 150, 151. So did away with the speed governor. That's what we're looking at for the 117 stage 2. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna hit up the customer, get them to come pick up the bike.
So we ended at what the hell did we say again? 116.5 and 126. We'll just median that torque number. It has the telltale dip in it.
Horsepower's all over that thing.
Yeah, sure.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
So it has the TBR. It has the 2-to-1, that what people refer to as the torque dip.
2-to-1 dip.
Yeah, you don't feel that, but you definitely see that on the graph. Other than that, I mean, it's smooth. Nice smooth numbers, good power. You guys heard that pole, smooth all the way through.
Sounded good.
Yeah, tuned out well. Tuned out pretty easy.
So as of us tuning the bike, we're
only like the 3rd or 4th in the country that I know of right now.
That's tuning the 22 models. Because there's a bit of a workaround. You can't just like tune it up like you would, 21 and previous. Actually, some of the 21 models have issues too that we have to use this workaround. So yeah.
Yeah. We've
one
been
of 3
21s for a little while, but from what I was understanding recently, not a lot of people are tuning 21s and 22s yet, and I don't know why. It might have to do with knowledge, might have to do with availability of the cable. I don't know, but our guys at Dynajet were letting us know that there aren't many guys out there doing it right now.
Yeah.
They didn't give me a number. They just said there's not a lot.
Anyways, let's go ahead and cut here, and we'll cut to the customer picking up the bike, taking it for a rip, bringing it back, and getting his reaction. I always like that part. How's the sound?
This thing's freaking loud, dude.
It's like brand new. You guys think I'll like it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think I'll like it. Ah, the sound of my people.
All right, gotta choose my words carefully because I'm on TV now, but this thing freaking rips like crazy.
Yeah.
All the way through the RPMs. I mean, I noticed a little bit on the low end that it's like a little bit soft, like compared to like anything over 1,000 RPMs, the thing is grabbing hard.
Yeah.
I mean, night and day difference. Literally.
Noticeably, yeah.
Literally night and day difference. I ride this thing the way it was designed to be ride.
Well, thrash on it for sure. Awesome, man. Well, you happy with it?
Yes, sir. Very happy with it. I couldn't be happier with it, man. I appreciate all the hard work, Chris, Paul, everyone. Thank you very much.
For sure, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you for bringing it to us.
Yes, sir.
Greatly appreciate you.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, guys. 117 with the stage 2. Hopefully this episode was insightful for any of you guys out there possibly looking to get one of the new ST models with the 117 or the new lowrider with the 117. If you're looking to do a stage 2, that's pretty much what you're looking at with this cam. I forget which cam it was. I'll put it up on the screen right here. And once again, we'll display the dyno numbers, the dyno graph right here on the screen as well for you. If you guys are looking to have any of this work done and you want to bring us your bike here to the Blockhead Garage, go to blockheadgarage.com, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you to get you on the schedule. We can pretty much do anything and everything if you're looking to have your tires changed, your brakes done, or like a full custom stage 4 build, or like custom paint. Like, we do everything to these motorcycles. So blockheadgarage.com. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys let me know your thoughts on this. Post down in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed the episode, if it was insightful, do me a favor, hit the like button. It lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job. If you guys haven't subscribed yet and you want to continue to see motorcycle content like this, hit the subscribe button as well. Hit the bell icon while you're down there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Oh, big thanks to Cody for letting us film the bike. Appreciate you, sir. Peace.